myth buster about GLP-1s. GLP-1s, let's bust some myths here, right? Because lots of people are on GLP-1s and we're hearing lots of stuff about it, right? We heard stuff from Serena Williams and we've heard all these things. GLP-1s are just a fad diet shot. Wrong. First off, they're FDA-approved medication that work with real physiology, right? They're, especially if you're using tirzepatide, it's a GLP-1 and a GIP, right? It's looking not only for weight loss, but it improves metabolic health, right? We know this, right? It improves cardiovascular disease. We know that with semaglutide. Okay, myth number 2, once you stop, all your weight comes back. Well, here's the thing, not necessarily, right? And not automatically, especially if we've worked through the things and the reasons why you were gaining weight or you were, overweight to begin with, like eating and exercising and things like that. The weight may not necessarily come back. The other thing is, it is a medication. It's actually a peptide, but it is a medication. So, to suppress those centers in the brain, you may need to be on it for a while, right? And we can do some things, decreasing dose and spacing out dosing to find exactly what's right for you. GLP-1s are unsafe for everyone. So nothing is unsafe for everyone, but does it mean it's right for everyone? No, right? Again, precision guided healthcare. Is this right for you? Right? And there's some people that it isn't right for, right? Some history of some thyroid things, patients that have pancreatitis. If you have really bad GI issues, sometimes it isn't right for you. But that doesn't mean it's wrong for everyone. You don't have to change anything else. Big myth. Oh my gosh. Of course you do. With anything. It's like saying that because you take a blood pressure medicine that you don't have to do anything else for your blood pressure. Yeah, if you want to die early, maybe that's the case, right? But like lifestyle. When we talk about precision guided medicine, nothing, and I say nothing, works well unless you do all the other things. That's true for GLP-1s. You have to be drinking your water. You have to be eating your protein. You have to be working out, especially in zone 2. That's the same as true for hormones, right? They're just a piece of the puzzle. So if you're not doing all of the other things, then you're only going to get this much effect, right? When you do all of the other things, you get such an added benefit. You have got to be moving. So bottom line, GLP-1s are not a miracle shot, okay? But they're not snake oil either. They're one tool in the toolbox for long-term health optimization. Is it right for you? I don't know. Find out. Ask your doctor. If you're in New York, Texas, or Florida, ask us. Love to have a personalized consult. Precision guided medicine, folks. Precision guided medicine.